Nick, you asked before about mistakes dentists make. One you just referenced one, and I'll just reiterate it is um, not investing in your facility in your 50s.
Bingo.
So that's a big mistake a lot of dentists make because the 50s, if you think about in general for people, I'm talking about in general, people who are married with kids, your 50s can be a little bit expensive, right? You got a kid getting married, you got young kids going to college. Like the 50s is where dentists tend to spend a lot of money. On the other hand, your 50s are your highest earning years as well. So in general, your 50s, and so your 50s is a place where you're making a fair amount of money, but the expenses seem kind of big. At the same time, to not invest in your practice in your 50s, you're missing the opportunity because by the time you get into your 60s, you're thinking about transitioning and selling. The equipment just gets more old, more tired. It doesn't look as good. It doesn't show as well when you're going to sell your practice. So one of the things that we try to coach dentists on all the time is your 50s is the perfect time to either do that new building, you get to practice another 5 or 10 years, bring in the associate, transition the practice, or upgrade the facility you have, spend a little money in your 50s. It does seem like there's a lot of other money going out, but you can borrow money these days. Interest rates, even at a little bit higher level, are still low historically. They make investments very affordable and very easy and very, you can get a high return on investment. So mistake that dentists make is not investing in their practice in their mid 50s. By the time you get to your early 60s, it kind of seems a little, that's not too late, but it kind of seems like a little bit more daunting. It's hard to get your money out of the investment. Mid 50s is a perfect sweet spot to invest in your practice.
That's awesome.